You just mentioned that everything is manufactured in South Africa. Is
Yes.
that important to you, or is that a conscious decision,
Yes.
or and is that the most cost effective, or is it just where you can keep your eyes on what's happening?
Um, for me, it was a very key decision. I mean, I think in having lived in the US and then moving back to South Africa, with it's past and there needing to be jobs. We need serious job creation.
Okay.
So a big thing for me was to be able to create jobs in South Africa and give back.
Yeah.
So I really, as much as possible, try and have every element of the brand manufactured in South Africa by South Africans. There are elements, unfortunately, that there's just nobody in South Africa that manufactures them. That we do have to bring them in, and
Yeah.
as we've scaled, there's not the capability to keep up with the scale. But we are still, I would say, 90% South African manufactured, with
Awesome. That's
elements of it
great.
having to be brought in. And it's been great to watch as the business grows. For me, it's one of the most fulfilling aspects
Yeah.
of it, is to be able to give back. It's a big piece of what we do. We support a lot of schools in South
Awesome.
Africa. So, yeah, want to be part of the change.